Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring both devices are ready. Update iPad iOS and your Windows PC so drivers install correctly. Plug a genuine Lightning or USB-C cable directly into the PC. Avoid cheap adapters that disrupt data lines. Once you connect, unlock the iPad and respond to the Trust This Computer dialog. This authorizes file access and prevents permission errors. Make sure File Explorer or iTunes is open on the PC. This starts the handshake and lets Windows enumerate the iPad as a device for transfer. Once connected, choose the right method. For photos, open File Explorer and navigate to the DSIM folder to copy images directly, which is fast and reliable. For backups, music or app files, use iTunes on Windows. Select your device, pick Backups or Sync and apply. This preserves app data and metadata. Alternatively, use iCloud Drive, OneDrive, or a trusted third-party app when you need cross-platform file access or when USB transfer isn't convenient. Each option trades speed for convenience. Pick what fits your workflow. To finish, ensure transfer is complete and then safely eject the iPad from Windows before unplugging to avoid corrupting files. If the PC fails to recognize the iPad, first try a different USB port or a known good cable and restart both the iPad and PC. This resolves most driver or handshake issues. If problems persist, reinstall Apple drivers or reauthorize by tapping Trust Again on the iPad. One quick tip: enable iCloud or a cloud backup so you still have copies when direct transfer stalls.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.